Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to use private cloud compute for enhanced privacy on iOS 18. To use private cloud compute for enhanced privacy on iOS 18, it combines on-device and server-based artificial intelligence to handle requests securely. When using features like Siri, iOS 18 determines if a request can be processed locally or if it needs more power, routing it to private cloud compute as necessary. Only the relevant data is sent to Apple's secure servers, ensuring no data is stored or accessible to Apple. You can also lock or hide apps for added privacy. Then press and hold any app, select Require Face ID, and choose either Require Face ID to lock it or Hide and Require Face ID to remove it from the home screen. Hidden apps are accessible only through settings or a dedicated folder, which requires Face ID, Touch ID, or a passcode. These features help protect sensitive content, ensuring you maintain control over your information even when sharing your device. By utilizing private cloud compute and app locking options, you enhance your privacy and security on iOS 18. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.